goes. There it is. So, second time out fly fishing on the Guadalupe. Conditions are overcast. And so far I've only seen one person catch a trout. It was a nice little trout, little 12-incher. Ooh, my casting's getting a little better. Let's get cast. Good cast. There it goes. Roll cast. Perfect. This is it. This is my first one. Oh, I think he's nice. I think he's nice. I think he's nice. Come on. Yeah, please. It's my first one. Here we go.
Good for you.
My first one.
That's awesome.
Holy smokes. That's a good one too. Yeah. Wow. Oh man. On a woolly booger? On a green one, like a almost like a green pumpkin style color. Oh man. Come on. Don't do that. Oh, wow. I know. Shh. No. Oh crap, come on. No. Oh, is he gonna make it? Oh, beautiful. Okay, thank you. Yes, sir. My first trout on the fly. Oh, man. That's... wow. Man, intense. Dude, my adrenaline's just like, I'm still buzzing right now. Yeah, they're so active. I thought that maybe if I switched, because I was nymphing before, I thought if I stripped over or you know, switched over to like a bully booger or streamer, and sure enough. Woo. Oh. Okay. Ooh, that wind. That wind is no joke. Ooh, that wind. Hey. Alright, y'all. Probably hard to hear me right now. This wind is... Ooh, this wind is going. Sorry for the audio. I know this is going to be bad. Ooh. Be getting soaked here. I was really hoping that this weather would clear up. Oh, shoot. Whew. Like a little bit of rain stop us. My waders are filled with water because there is a severe leak in them that I must patch. Well, I must find first and then patch. But because of that, I got some limited mobility here. Oh, have some mobility issues. A little harder to jump. A little harder to do a lot of stuff. Whew. Whew. Oh yeah. Well, it's starting to pour. Whew. I'm gonna get soaked. Adventure. Adventure. Here we go, baby. Another one. Come on. No, no, no. Where'd you go? Get in. Get in there. All right, folks. Been here since 8 a.m. Wanted to get out here earlier, but I've seen some beautiful scenery, some of the best you want to see. And I've walked, I've waded through this water. Met some really cool people. I mean, you just, what more could you ask for, man? I mean, look at what I'm looking at right now. You know? I mean, it just doesn't, words just doesn't do it justice. And so I have a new addiction. Oh, dang it, fly fishing. Why did you enter my life? But man, caught my first fly trout on the fly. My first fly trout. My first fish, my first trout on a fly, and my PB trout. I mean, how freaking sick. And I'm not great, but I'm getting there, man. I mean, it's different. It's a challenge. Ooh. Probably standing in a hole where I should be fishing. Let's go. Here we go. I'm probably casting to where I should be standing, and standing where I should be casting. Every now and again I gotta stop and take a break because I start getting sloppy. I gotta chill out. Anyway, just checking in.